How to change Instagram call ringtone on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Notifications. Now, look for Instagram in the list of apps and tap on it. Here, you can manage the notification settings available for Instagram. However, on the iPhone 8 Plus, iOS does not provide a separate setting to choose a custom ringtone specifically for Instagram calls. So, unlike some Android phones, you won't find an Instagram direct video call notification category with a separate sound option in iPhone settings. You can still manage Instagram's notifications, sounds, and alerts from the available notification settings, and that's it. The Instagram call ringtone cannot be changed separately on an iPhone using the built-in iOS settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.